It's about 1 o'clock. I just shot a doe a few minutes ago. I'm thankful the good Lord blessed me with this opportunity. I tried something a little different today. I went, later today. I didn't go early this morning. I've not been doing any good on the morning hunts. So I decided to wait, and I went about 10:30 and got here and sat and shot her about 12:30. So I'm going to go and try to recover. Well, the good Lord blessed me earlier today and let me harvest this good doe up here in the North Georgia mountains. The hunting's really tough up here, especially this season. We've got so many acorns, and I tried something a little bit different today. I got there later. I've been hunting really early and sit until lunchtime, not been doing any good, and I rarely do this, but I wanted to try something different today, is to start hunting later, like 10:30 or 11 o'clock in the day, and sit until like 3 or 4 in the evening, and that's times usually people don't hunt. And today I got this good doe right in those times that usually not many people hunt. But I'm tickled to death I got her. It's October 29th, and I'm hunting this evening here in the North Georgia mountains. It's about 34 degrees. It's been snowing on and off all day today. It's really cold. I'm hunting in this little field. I'm hoping there'll be some deer come out here to this grass, and good Lord willing, maybe a big buck. The good Lord blessed me with this good bear this evening. It's been snowing on and off here today in the North Georgia mountains. I'm blessed, tickled death. Got to harvest this guy this evening, and I'm gonna go ahead and get him out of here. Good Lord blessed me this evening and let me harvest this beautiful mountain buck. He's a 6-point. He's pretty big for a 6. He's been rubbing up a storm. He's got a lot of tree bark on his rack. I didn't get him on film though. He come in and he's pretty fast coming in, and I knew I needed to make a shot on him pretty quick. I'm just thankful God let me harvest this big mountain deer. Hunting up here in the Appalachian Mountains is tough, and I sat about 9 or 10 times without seeing a deer this past week or two, and this morning I seen a small 3-point, and this evening I finally got this dude, and we'll go ahead and get him on out of here.